Hi, I'm Ken Hadrick, Dean of the Pie Academy, and I hope you're doing pretty much fabulous today. Now, as you may know, this coming Sunday, I'm hosting one of my most popular pie classes of the season. It's called Apple Pie Perfect, and we're going to cover everything you need to know to make sure yours always comes out that way. Now, we have a lot of folks signed up already, and I'd love it if you were one of them. You can find out more at the link below, and don't forget, if you can't make it live, you have lifetime access to the replay. Now, in case you're not coming, I wanted to leave you with a little gift. It's my blueprint recipe for making your own signature apple pie spice. The bonus is that you'll find lots of uses for this spice beyond apple pie, like in quick breads, in your favorite applesauce recipes, apple cakes, apple crisp, and more. So the backbone of our recipe is ground cinnamon, no surprise there. But if you end up making this for holiday gift giving, which I'll get to in a minute, buy your cinnamon in a large container at a place like Costco or Sam's Club. You'll just get a better deal. You'll need 1/3 cup of cinnamon and then 2 teaspoons ground nutmeg. Nutmeg gives your blend a slightly sweet and nutty flavor. Next, add 1 teaspoon ground ginger. We might add more, but start there because ginger is zesty and it's peppery and we don't want to go overboard. Now, a bit of allspice, 1 teaspoon of it. Allspice sounds like it's already a blend of spices, but it's actually one spice with notes of cinnamon and nutmeg and cloves, and that's how it got the name. Finally, let's do a teaspoon of ground cardamom. It's a fruity spice you may know from Scandinavian breads and Scandinavian baking and chai tea mixes. Now let's mix it all up and inhale that lovely aroma and give it a taste before we make any adjustments. And we do that by mixing a teaspoon of our spice with 2 teaspoons of sugar. You sprinkle it generously on a few apple slices and then taste. Now, maybe it's perfect, maybe it needs a little bit more of this or that spice. You get to decide. This is your house blend. Now use this in all your favorite apple recipes in place of other spices in the recipe. You'll have to play around with the exact quantity, but start with a teaspoon in most of your recipes and adjust it as needed. One last bonus tip. The holidays are coming right up, and this makes a great gift for your favorite bakers. Just transfer it to a nice jar, add a pretty little tag, and you're all good to go. Have fun with this, I know you will. And don't forget to join us this Sunday if you want to learn how to make the perfect apple pie. See you there.